लड़कियों को सिर्फ घर के काम और लड़कों को पैसे कमाना, बस यही ज़रूरी नहीं है। उसके अलावा और बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको उन्हें सिखानी है। Looking at the situations and the issues young adults are facing nowadays, I have selected this particular topic today. That what every parent must say before their son or daughter gets married. Marriage is not just the union of two people. It is the beginning of a new emotional journey, new responsibility, new relationships, and a completely different phase of life. As parents, we spend years teaching our children how to walk, study, behave, and succeed. But one of the most important conversations often get missed, that what to tell them before they get married. Today's video is not about expensive weddings, rituals, or traditions. It is about the emotional preparation every son and daughter needs before entering marriage. Whether you are a parent of a daughter or a son, your words before marriage can shape the future of their relationship. अगर आपके बच्चे शादी लायक हो गए हैं, आप उनके लिए लड़का ढूंढ रहे हैं, लड़की ढूंढ रहे हैं, उससे पहले आप ये देखिए कि आपने उनको ये सारी चीज़ें सिखाई है या नहीं, और वो चीज़ें कौन सी है, चलिए देखते हैं इस वीडियो में। हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माइंडफुल पेरेंटिंग विद डिम्पल। The first thing every parent should tell their child before marriage is, marriage is not about finding a perfect person. It is about learning to grow with an imperfect person. Many young people enter marriage with unrealistic expectations created by movies, social media, and fairy tales. They expect constant happiness, attention, and romance. But real marriage includes misunderstandings, sacrifices, adjustments, and difficult phases too. Tell your children that do not search for perfection, search for respect, trust, and emotional safety. Because looks change, situation change, money changes, but character and values stay. Now let us talk about what parents should tell daughters before marriage. Dear daughter, your worth does not reduce after marriage. Many girls are taught to adjust so much that they slowly stop expressing themselves. Teach your daughter that adjustment should never mean losing self-respect. Respect your new family, but never disrespect yourself to please others. She should know that being kind does not mean tolerating emotional abuse, constant insult, or disrespect. Teach her to communicate clearly instead of silently suffering. You're not leaving one family to become a, house help in another house. You are entering into a partnership. At the same time, teach daughters emotional maturity. Every family has different habits, traditions, way of living. Observe first, understand first, and react calmly. Sometimes small issues become big fights because people are more interested in winning arguments than protecting relationships. Teach daughters that peace in home comes with emotional intelligence, patience, and communication. Now let us talk about sons. Dear son, wife is not coming to your home to adjust alone. You also have to adjust. Many boys grow up watching mothers sacrifice everything silently while fathers remain emotionally unavailable. They unknowingly repeat the same pattern in marriage. So teach your son that a good husband is not one who only earns money. A good husband makes his wife feel respected, heard, protected, and emotionally safe. Tell him that help in household work not because you are helping your wife, but because the house belongs to both of you. Teach sons that responsibility is shared. Also tell your son that never make your wife compete with your mother. Both the relationships are different and both deserve respect. Many marriages suffer because the husband fails to balance relationships wisely. Teach son to listen before reacting. Sometimes one calm conversation can save years of emotional distance. अगर एक लड़की घर छोड़ के आपके घर आ रही है तो उसे उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट और प्यार मिले, उसका ध्यान रखिए. Now here is something equally important for both sons and daughters. Tell them do not involve outsiders in every small marital issue. Today many couples discuss private matters with friends, relatives or social media before talking to each other. Tell them that the healthy communication inside the marriage is more important than outside opinions. Of course, serious abuse or harmful situations should never be hidden, but daily misunderstandings should first be discussed respectfully between husband and wife. Now, let us talk about expectations. Parents should tell their children that marriage is not 50-50 all the time. Sometimes one person gives more when the other is struggling. There will be days when one partner is emotionally weak, stressed, tired, or frustrated. A successful marriage is not about keeping score. It is about supporting each other during difficult phases. Learn to apologize even when your ego stops you. One sincere "I am sorry" can heal a relationship faster than long explanations. Also teach them gratitude. Many couples stop appreciating each other after marriage. Never underestimate small words like thank you, please, take care, and I appreciate you. These simple words keep emotional connection alive. Now let us discuss financial understanding. Parents must teach both son and daughter basic financial responsibility before marriage. Tell them that money problems can create emotional distance if there is no planning and transparency. Teach them to discuss savings, spending habits, responsibilities, and future goals openly. A financially mature couple fights less and trusts more. Now, another important point is tell your daughters that do not leave your dreams completely after marriage, and tell your sons that support your wife's growth just as you expect support for your own goals. Marriage should not stop personal growth. The right partner helps you become better, stronger, and happier. Now, let us talk about emotional safety. Parents should teach children that never insult your partner during anger, because words spoken in anger may be forgotten by the speaker but remembered forever by the listener. Fight the problem, not each other. A couple should act like a team, not enemies. Even during disagreements, respect should never disappear. Now, here is very important lesson, especially for parents, that do not emotionally control your married children. Many parents struggle to let go after marriage. They interfere in every small issues, expecting the same attention and control as before. But marriage needs space to grow. Love your children, guide them when needed, but also allow to build their own bond and make their own decisions. A strong marriage requires emotional independence. Now let us discuss loyalty and trust. Trust is built slowly but broken quickly. Trust is built slowly but broken quickly. So be honest even in small things. Do not hide important matters. Do not compare your partner with others. Do not seek emotional comfort outside the marriage. Loyalty is not only physical, emotional loyalty matters equally. भले वो लड़का हो या लड़की हो, रिस्पेक्ट और ट्रस्ट दोनों के लिए उतना ही मैटर करता है. One beautiful thing parents should say before marriage is choose kindness during difficult moments. Let us end with one final message every parent should give both sons and daughters before marriage. Marriage is not about me versus you. It is about us versus the problem. If both people protect the relationship instead of protecting their ego, the marriage becomes peaceful, strong, and beautiful. And dear parents, the value you teach your children before marriage becomes the foundation of their future family. If you teach respect, empathy, responsibility, and emotional maturity, your children will not just become good husband and wives, they will become good human beings. बहुत से पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि चलो शादी हो जाए तो हम फ्री हो जाएंगे. हो सकते हैं अगर आपने आपके बच्चों को इतना स्ट्रांग बनाया है, ये सारी चीजें सिखाई है कि वो अपने रिश्ते अच्छे से निभा लें. So before spending lakhs on weddings and decorations, spend time having meaningful conversations with your children. Because one wise conversation from a parent can guide a child for lifetime. Train your brains as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, do like, share and subscribe to Mindful Parenting with Dimple for more parenting and relationship guidance videos. See you in the next video.